In this video, I'll show you some tips to handle CAPTCHA verification more smoothly in Google Chrome. First, make sure your Chrome browser is fully updated. Updates often improve compatibility with verification widgets. Next, check your browser extensions. Sometimes extensions can interfere with CAPTCHA challenges, so disabling unnecessary ones can help. Many CAPTCHAs also have accessibility options, like audio challenges. If images are hard to see, these alternatives can make verification easier. If you keep running into issues, clearing cookies or site data for the affected website can refresh your session and reduce repeated verification prompts. Finally, using a stable network helps. CAPTCHAs often appear when your IP changes frequently, so a consistent connection can make the process smoother. That's it for today. With these tips, you can handle CAPTCHA verification safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.